Hi guys, welcome to Fitness for Transformation. Today we're going to learn how to do steam engines. Let's begin by getting into our starting position. Stand up straight, feet are hip width apart or a little bit wider if necessary, and our hands come up behind our head. Make sure you don't push on your head when you're in the exercise. You don't want to strain your neck. You can begin by engaging your core, and simultaneously as you bring your left knee up, bring your right elbow to meet your knee, creating a crunch-like motion at the top before you bring the leg back down and switch to the opposite side. That is one set of steam engines. Let's go ahead and do a couple of sets back to back to see how they flow together. Starting with the left side in 3, 2, 1. Leg comes up and we crunch. Switch sides and repeat. Key here is to engage your core, to bring that knee up, and over time, as you improve your flexibility, you'll get your knee closer to your elbow without risking straining your neck or your back. Definitely focus on your form first. And that is how you perform steam engines. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I hope to see you guys next week as I post new instructional and fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Take care.